Right, students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. So now let's move to the further. I hope in the previous session, you practiced it, indexing, slicing, right? All the I hope notes also taken with syntaxes and everything. Okay. Now today's session, we are talking about two important areas. Plus, we will discuss some miscellaneous information also. So let me start here. Two important things here, students. One is matrix operations. Matrix operations. Matrix operations, or we can also call it as arithmetic operations on ND array. This is one thing we are talking. And next we are talking about statistical operations on ND array. So this is the topic what we are going to discuss. These are main topics in today's class. And further, we go for some more miscellaneous information I will explain. Okay, take care. So first I am going to talk about matrix operations or arithmetic operations now. So here, first you start thinking about these arithmetic operations. What are the arithmetic operations which you have done it already? Plus, minus, star, and single slash, double slash, percentage, and then double star. These are the operations you have done it. Same operators we can apply straightforward on where also? ND array, because ND array objects supports vector based operations. That's why these are permitted. Now students, matrix operations, nothing but 2 by 2 matrix is there, and I want to add with another 2 by 2 matrix. That is simply, you are already aware of it in your school days, which you are using matrix addition. And next is called matrix multiplication, matrix subtraction, matrix division, matrix modulus, matrix exponentiation. These many number of operations I want to do it. And it is very simple after seeing that previous kind of things. So what are the operations you can do on the matrices? I'm going to do it. So in NumPy module, to perform matrix or arithmetic operations on where? ND array, we have, we have the following functions. What are those functions? I'll write one by one. Look at first function. What is the first function? Add off. What is the function name? Add off. Second function, add off function can also be done with the operator called plus. You can also do with what operator? Plus operator you can do. Next is called what? Expected. So subtract, not sub actually, subtract. What is the function? What is the symbol for it? Minus. Here, arithmetic operations we can call. Plus and then minus. Next, I'll go for what? Third one is what? Multiply. This is the symbol called what here? Star. Symbol called what? Star. Here, this will give you element-wise multiplication. Element-wise multiplication it will give you. But we want what? Actual matrix multiplication I want to do it. For that, fourth one I am going to talk about matmul. And one more is also there. Similar to that, dot product we can call. Do you know dot product? Dot product we can call. Next I am going to introduce sixth one is called what? Divide. There is an operator called what? What is an operator we are having? Students, slash. slash. Next, seventh operation is there, that is called floor divide. Floor divide. Floor underscore what? Divide. What is floor divide of? What is the symbolic notation for that? Double slash. Double slash. Eighth, I am going to take up out it. What is this now? Power of. Power of. What is the symbolic notation here? Double star. This means one way you can do the ND array operations by using which operators? Arithmetic operation. One way you can do the same arithmetic operations where they are related to what? Matrix operations. That is what is our today's concept. So let me start this kind of operation. After that, I'll go for other thing. Go to the Jupyter notebook. So coming to the point back, here I'm going to say, here Python 3. Now I'm going to start discussing about these kind of things. So say this now. See students, start. What are these operations now? Come on. Matmul operations. Matrix operations, I'm going to do it. So there I'm going to take up students, import numpy as what? NP. NP. Import numpy as what? NP. So coming to the point of it, import numpy as NP. Next I'm going to talk about it. Take one array. A is equal to, straightforward, simple students. NP dot array of, I'm taking something like 10 comma 20 comma, I will take directly matrix itself students, comma 30 comma 40. 30 comma 40. Are you following me? 10 comma 20, 30 comma 40. It is one matrix. B is equal to, see that. One more thing is say here 10, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 3, 4. This is the two matrices. Two matrices. Now I'm going to say print A. Print A. And next, you know, print B. Print B. And this is the answer now. Are you following me? Right. So, see students, one student in the online, Sagatika, and I'm observing from the day one onwards, she is the only one girl who is saying continuously whatever I am typing, she is also typing it. How perfect girl she is. Whatever I am typing, she is typing it. Of course, one day I cross-checked also. One day I asked her, are you copying and pasting, ma? She said, no, sir, I am typing it. I observed also, she is typing. You are unable to speak properly also. So, how good girl she is? So, she is typing everything. Will you type it continuously? Either KVR sir should do that or Sagatika should do. Others cannot do. Lot of patience required first of all. That is called commitment. Once you type it down, you'll get lot of knowledge first of all. So I'll ask one question to Sagatika. Sagatika, your programming knowledge, you are previously before my class attending, now attending. What is your rate of increasing, ma'am? What is your rate of increasing now? You are beginning of the sessions and now. So, what is your rate of increasing your subject? So, 75%. Very good student. This is called subject. People are unable to read after going to hostel, but she is typing continuously, she is typing. And you can expect after the class is over, definitely she will go on reading. That is what I am expecting. So, will you read daily? Huh? Not everybody. Few students. Right? So, coming to the point of it. Now I will continue. It doesn't mean that others are not typing. They are also typing, like Vijay Kumar is there, Naresh is there, Naveen is there, Sri Lakshmi is also one more student. They are continuously going on saying that. So, Sri Lakshmi is typing. All of them. But rating I am giving. Aniketi is also there. These are all girls. First in patience of typing it. Later boys will come. Naveen is there. Like that. So many students are there. Uday is there. Like that. So you need to have a lot of skills of what? Once we learn something, you should not leave in middle. Like that, we need to continue. Anyhow, I'll continue my session. So if now there are two matrices are there. Now I will apply. C is equal to what I'm doing now. What I'm doing now here. Matrix addition. Matrix addition. Matrix addition I am doing it. C is equal to what I am doing now. NP dot add of A comma B. A comma B. Actually, I don't praise anybody. When they reach to my mind on the top layer, then I will praise. Actually, I don't praise. When I will praise, when they reach to my way of thinking, then I will praise it. That too, observing lot of factors. So when I praise means definitely something is there. Generally, I don't praise most of the people. When I praise means definitely they are different. Okay. Anyhow, come to the point of it. D is equal to what? A plus B also I can do it. A plus B also you can do it. Print of what? C. Print of C and print of what you can say? D. Print of A and print of D you can say. Both of them will give the same answer or not? What is an answer? Addition. You know addition now. 10 plus 1, 20 plus 2, 30 plus 3, 40 plus 4. Are you following? That is known as what? Matrix addition. Matrix addition. So A, C matrix got it, and next D matrix also got it. Same answer got it. Are you following me? So print off. So I'm saying something like or I'm just writing like this. See that this is an answer is coming. Getting students? Similarly, don't take much time, students. Go for what? Matrix subtraction. Subtraction I am going to enter into that. Matrix subtraction I am going to enter. I say what now? Sub of AB. You can also say what? Minus. You know minus. What is the matrix AB? What is the matrix AB? 10, 20. You want to print that given matrices? You can go for it. If you want to print what is this? A and print of what? B. You can print that entire thing. What are the given matrices? What happens? No? Yes. Subtract. Subtract I need to say. Now say this answer. See that this is a matrix A. This is a matrix B. This is a matrix A. This is a matrix B. This is the one result of subtraction matrix and this result is coming. So if you want to have some small separation, I will write it. Some small separation, I will write it. Here also I'll write between one matrix to one more matrix. Here I'm going to give you what you know, result I will write it. Print of what I'm writing, you know, result. You say this result now. Say this result. First matrix, second matrix, both the matrix results. Getting? Similarly, I'll go for what next? I'll go for what? Multiplication. Take care, mom. I'll go for matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication I am going to enter. What is this matrix multiplication? This is the two element-wise matrix multiplication. First I will explain element-wise matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication I will go for it. Element-wise matrix multiplication. So I'm going to take up what are those? Here I will write multiply. Multiply. I can write happily what here? Star I can write it. Either this way you can write or this way you can write it. Both of them results are going to come. What is the matrix multiplication, ma? 10 into 1, 20 into 2, 30 into 3, 40 into 4. Like that you can do it. See the result of it. See the result of it. 10 into 1, 10 into 1, 20 into 2, 30 into 3. Say observe it. 40 into 4. Are you getting this? This is the result of what? element wise matrix multiplication. But I need what matrix multiplication? Original matrix multiplication. How to do that? Now I am going to show you the original matrix multiplication. I will explain the flow for you first. So element wise matrix multiplication. Now I am writing actual matrix multiplication. Actual matrix multiplication. What is my matrix multiplication, guys? What is the value of A? 10. Come on. 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. This is my one matrix. One more is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is another matrix. Dear students, now go for what? Multiplication. What is the original matrix multiplication, mom? Each row is multiplied with every column or not? Start here. 10 into, come on, fast. 10 into what? 1 plus 20 into what? 3. Very good. Next. Come on. 10 into 2 plus 20 into where? 4. Okay. Next. 30 into what? 1. 1 minute. 30 into 1 plus 40 into 3. Next. 30 into 2. Good. 40 into 4. Next line I will write 40 into 4. Answer please now. Here 10 into 1, 10. And this is 60. What is that answer? 70. 10 into 2, 20. 20 into 4, 80. What is the answer? Okay, 100. Next, 30 into 1, 40 into 3, 150. 150. Next, please. 30 into 2, 60. And 160. 220 is an answer. This is called actual matrix multiplication. In place of multiply, I will write what you know, MAT, MUL. What is it? MAT, MUL. A comma, what I'll write? B. It is also can be written as what? Dot of what? A comma B also I can write it. So, come on students, all of you guys, I will go for MAT, MUL. And there is no such symbolic notation for that. You can also say there, students, what I am writing, D is equal to NP dot, what is the function name? Dot of A comma B. Both of them are going to give you the same result. Understanding? Right. See the answer now. What is the answer? 70, 100, 150, 220, 70, 100 and 150, 220. Are you getting me? So this is the result of mat, mul and dot. Easy now? Right. How many functions are there? Add of, subtract of, multiply of, mat, mul, dot of. Now I will go for right. Floor of I am going to take up. I am going to take up next level discussion is like this. Follow me. Matrix multiplication is done. I will go for next matrix division. Matrix division. Matrix division. So coming to the point of it, what is the matrix division, sir? Now I am writing. Tell me. Divide of what? A comma B. And I will write here. I'll write here A slash what I'll write it? B. Following me? Both the matrices I am writing it. See that 10 by 1 is called what? 10 by 1. 10 point. 10 point. 20 by 2. 10 point. 20 of what? 2. 2 10 job. 2 10 job. 20. What is this? 0. So you will get 10 point. Always floating. 30 and 3. 40 and 4. 10 point. 10 point is the result is coming. 10 point. 10 point is the result is coming. Understand, ma? Similarly, I will go for matrix division. This is called something like slash operator is used. I will go for what next? What next? floor divide. So I'll write underscore floor underscore divide and I am writing double slash. See students, floor underscore divide. Now I am writing like this. See the answer now. 10, 10, 10, 10. Earlier 10 point, 10 point. Now it is going to give you floor divide. Normal 10 is coming. Are you following me? Right. This is related to what? Matrix division. What are the operators? Slash and double slash. Divide and floor divide. Now I'll go for one more thing. Modulus I want to go for it. Modulus I just want to go for it. Now I'm going to take up here matrix. What is this? Modulo division. Modulo division I am going to take it. Modulo division. What I will write it now? Come on. MOD. What is the function name? MOD. Now I am writing here percent. A percentage. Now see the things. What is the percentage? 10% is 1, 0. 20% is 2, 0. 30% is 3, 0. 40% is 4 also 0. So you are going to get it 0, 0, 0 will come. Understand? Well, now I will go to another way. What is that? Exponentiation I will apply. Matrix exponentiation I will write it. So I'll write it matrix exponentiation. Matrix exponentiation. Matrix exponentiation I am going to take it. What I will write it now? Power of. I will write it here. A star star B I wrote it. What is the A star star B? I have what you know. This is a 10, 20, 30, 40. This is my data. This is called a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 to the power of 1, 10. 20 to the power of 2. Teledu, 400. 30 to the power of 3. Huh? 900. Miranta aslu. I have to keep your brains in Salarjung Museum. 30 to the power of 3. 30 to the power of 3. Stop it. Stop it, I said. 30 into 30 into 3. So simple, even a child also will say 3 3s are 3 3 3 27 and 3 zeros. When I asked you 30 to the power of 3, you are saying 9. How dangerous you are, especially boys, offline boys. Totally lazy, huh? Totally lazy, huh? So, really, very much disappointed. And you will say, good evening, sir. When I come to the class, you will say, good evening, without telling correct answers. Tomorrow onward, don't tell good evening to me. Next, 40 to the power of 4. Don't know. 40 to the power of 4. 40 into 40 into 40. 4 ja. 256. 256 4 zeros. 4 4 16. 16 16 256. 4 zeros. Calculation problem. That's why neither MSET rank within 1000 not coming. JEE mains not qualified. JEE advanced also not qualified. BITS Pilani not qualified. Qualified normally. Normal college studied. We have to achieve something, students. So you may feel, but if you say wrong answer in my class, I will feel it. See the answer now. See the answer now. Now by me 4 to the power of ఇలా రాస్తే 16 అని చెప్తారని భయం అయిపోయింది ఒకసారి. I really got a little much tension, 64 చెప్తారేమని. 4 just 16. So that's why without asking, I said my answer also. These are called what operations? These are all arithmetic operations. Go to the place, all these things, point to point, shown in the class. You know that, but the only thing is lazy. Why lazy? If I go on speaking now, it's a never-ending story. I don't want also. Are you okay with this? Right. Come to point back. This is about which operation? right? I can do this type of thing. ND, I took it as 2 by 2 matrix. You can take 3 by 3 matrix also, you can take it. So this process is comes under arithmetic operations. Next, I would like to go for what statistical operations on ND array I want to take up. Statistical operations, it's very important. All are important. You'll come across in our data science programming. NumPy is a mandatory for everybody to remember it. Now let us move to the one more type of thing. So I'll go to the next file. Let us save everything. Now I'm going to say statistical operations. Let's take statistical operations here. So I'm going to take it. Statistical operations on ND array. Well, now I'll go for doing that. Import as usual, NumPy as NP. NumPy as NP. What are the statistical operations you are doing? My dear students, the statistical operations at Python level, which I am introducing at this case is actually about here. Anybody is learning data science here? Huh? Learning 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Actually, you did not raise your hands. So why? Definitely you will ask a question. Why unnecessarily headache with this guy? So not saying. Boys, who is learning? Both of you learning. Okay. Machine learning started. Machine learning started. Okay. So do you know K-mean algorithm? K-mean algorithm. K-mean algorithm. K-mean algorithm. Do you know? How do you implement it? Which functions you will use in Python? They taught mathematics or implementation? Coding they written? Huh? Directly. Mathematics they explained. Coding also they explained with use case. Direct. Not showing any use case. Okay. Okay. Now coming to the point of it. Actually, students, if you go to machine learning, there are more important algorithms are there. In the machine learning, what is the importance of it? At least 6 to 7 hours, you have to explain what is machine learning. In that, you have some supervised learning algorithms, unsupervised learning algorithms, reinforcement learning algorithms. With capstone projects, you need to discuss with at least 10 cases in each algorithm. Then you will get a idea of how to write the code. Exploring the data, exploitation, exploration, and then modeling, and then insight studying, visualization. Every algorithm requires that. Of course, if I say all these things, you will say, sir, you start, you will say. So now, at present, what I am saying is, there is so many algorithms, regression analysis is there, clustering is there, so much of things are there in that. If you go to reinforcement, algorithms are there. If you go to one more, what do you call it, unsupervised also, there is algorithms are there. Neural networks algorithms are also there. So just instead of copy, paste and everything doing, we have to explain use cases first. So generally, most of the people will do what, copy, paste, they will go on doing that. That's not correct. So how I am typing the coding like that, I have to take the response from the students and we have to explain. So for that, lot of insights required, commitment is required. Of course, we don't question to others' commitment. At least I'm giving some alert for you. Why can't you ask in the classes? You ask. Now, when you come to statistical operations, suppose, for example, you go for random forest. Random forest is one concept. What is the use of random forest? Where Amazon is using, how it is using. If I start that, at least I would explain the random forest mathematics problems, statistical problem, probability statistics, and where it is using, I have to explain. But my boundary is crossing almost 200%. If I enter into that, it's never ending story. Again, I will go in deep of it. So at present, what I am talking about statistical operations. Instead of talking about data science related statistical operations, If I started that, I have to go in depth of it. What algorithm related things I have to explain. It's almost entering into the data science. So I also will have some boundaries. So at present, in the statistical operations, we have certain functions are there. What are the statistical functions which are available? The statistical functions are, which I am writing here. So here I am writing it. So statistical functions which we are writing here is number one, A max of, and A min of, and next is called a mean of, next is called what median of, and next is called what variance of, next is called what standard deviation of. So A max of, A min of, mean of, median of, variance of, STD of. Read out once. A max of, A min of, median of, variance of, standard deviation of. All those things we'll discuss here. Right? Amruta, good student. Right, Sri Lakshmi. See, all the girls started communicating with me. So, very good. See, once I praised Sagatika, even our classroom girls also started speaking. But boys are not speaking. Why? Sir, you are praising girls now. We will maintain like a Gautama Buddha statue in Hussain Sagar in Hyderabad. So, need to have some fire, students. Let it be. I'll go for A max, A min, mean, median, variance, standard deviation. Once you start typing and responding now, you'll get a lot of subject energy will come. You can't forget in your lifetime. There is a power of response in the class. Anyhow, let me talk about A max of, Fazina also, one more student, good student. So, Naresh, these are all committed people. Go to that, A max I will go for doing that. Let us take the matrix here. Take care, A is equal to NP dot array of, take care students. I am taking 10 comma 15 comma something like 25. Now I am taking something like 35 comma 15 comma something like 12, something like 14 I will write it. Next I am writing here students, I say something like 36 comma 28 comma, and I'll write 19 I wrote it. So you print immediately A of type of A, this is called my given matrix. Of course, very easy, you can understand. Whatever the way I explain the Python for you, which is understanding, same way any subject is there, we have to understand like that only. That is called lecturing. Without understanding when we teach, that is not lecturing. Right? So lecturing means it has to reach to the bottom student. That is the way. Anyhow, let us come to that. NP dot max value is equal to NP dot max of MAX. A max means what? Array max of what I am passing? A. Max V is equal to NP dot what? A max of A. It will give you what element? Highest element. By looking at that, you can understand, students. What it will give you? Highest element. Okay. Printing here, max element is equal to, now I am writing, comma what? Max V, I am writing it. What is the answer is coming? 36. Now 36. This value, 36, is the highest value here. Now my requirement is, in an organization, this is my elements. Assume that in an organization, these are the people who sell out the profits, and this is the commission basis they got the amount. Who is the person got highest commission in the company? I will go for applying what? A max. Simple, mom. There is an LIC is there. LIC is having a lot of agents are there. every month they are going to keep one matrix of customers, matrix of agents. They will be keeping in the statewide, and they will keeping in the statewide who are the people who, how much policies they sold out to the customers and how much commission they got it. How to find the maximum of the commission, highest commission, who got it? I want to get it. And he is the person got it highest commission. Later days, I want to find out row wise how many people, column wise how many people. Row wise in the sense statewide, if I keep it, states are columns, column wise how many people, and in the state and in the zone wise how many people. Zonal wise is also there. How to keep it? State wise and zonal wise I want to. State wise if I take a column, zonal wise if I take a row max as well as what? Column max I want to get it. How to get it? See students, a simple small idea I will give you. My dear students, please follow me. It is called what? This is which line? Horizontal line, right? X-axis. Spell out. This is vertical line, which axis? Vertical line is called what? Columns. Indicated by which axis? Horizontal line is called what? Rows. Indicated by what? So y is equal to, in our NumPy, in most of the times, it is indicated as what? 0. 0 is equal to which axis? Y-axis. Represents what? Columns. X is equal to what here? 1. 1 indicates what? So now I am writing here. Axis is equal to 0. Indicates what? Columns. Axis is equal to 1. Indicates what? Rows. Did you understand? And don't think that it is a permanent. For certain things, this is the one. In some cases, it will change. Where it will change, I will show you that. It will change. Come on now, students. Now I am saying same thing. I would like to write it. I will continue that. How I am writing now? See, mom. Row max is equal to, or column max is equal to, COL max is equal to, tell me, mom. COL max is equal to NP dot A max, see that. A comma end array object axis is equal to 0. And A comma axis is equal to what? 0. What is the end array object? What is axis is equal to 0? Columns. What is the value printing? Column max is printed. One more I will print it here. What? What is this now? Row max. Row max is equal to what? Axis is equal to what I am saying? 1. So max element I am printing. Print of what? Column max elements. Column max elements is equal to what I say? COL max. Next I will take it one more thing. Row max. Row max. I am saying here row max. Now I am saying here what you know. Row max I am saying it here. Are you able to follow? Now print one matrix here. Print of A. Print of A. And see the result of it. And you know that what is the row column wise you see which is the row highest one? 36. What is the highest one? 28. What is the highest one? 25. 25. Next, what is the next one here? 25. Next one, 35. Next one, 36. Got it up? This is called what? Printing highest and lowest. Similarly, I will go for what? A min also. What is the next case? A min. Come on, mention it here. What is this? A min. I will write it what you know. Next I am writing here min. So I am writing here min. So axis is equal to what? Same. Entire matrix minimum, column wise minimum, row wise minimum. What is this now? Min element. What is this now? Column min. Next is what? Row min. Row min. I'll just change my variables also, students. Min v. And next is what? Column min. And next is what? Row min. Row min. Are you following me? See that. What is the minimum element here, ma? 10. What is the row wise mean? 10. Next column wise? 14. Next 12. Next you go to what? What is this now? 10. What is the next? 12. Next, right, like this. You got the data. Are you able to follow? This is about information related to what? Max and min. Did you understand the meaning of axis also? Good. Now I'm going to enter. It is not only just two matrices, 3 by 3 matrix or anything. You take a very big matrix. 29 states, 4, 5 union territories are there. So many zonal offices are there. Everything is represented in the form of what? Matrices. Such matrices, max and min, if I want to find, this is only the simple tool for us. Understand? Well, come to students. Now I am going to introduce one more type of function. And meantime, I want to announce one small thing. So that announcement is tomorrow, holiday. Only evening classes. Morning I have a class, evening classes. So Sagatika is asking, why sir? That I am about to tell you and you are asking. So I have some lot of pending works are there. 2 months onwards, some pending works are there, which I only have to do it. So that's why tomorrow Saturday, anyhow, you are going to underground. So even I also want to take care about my small works are there, which only I have to take care. So that's why I want to clear my small pending works are there. So that's why I'm taking leave. Okay. Tomorrow there is no class. Evening, no class. Did I take any leave when your batch started? Anytime taken? Maybe once I took it. No? Okay. So any problem solving approach is there, I will tell you that. So tomorrow holiday, don't miss the, at this time, don't go here and there. At this time, wake up and start practicing it. Okay now? Tomorrow, no class. Online students, listen mom. So, fine. Shall we start? I'll continue the topic. Go to the next place. Continue the discussion. Now I'm going to enter into the further. Now here, min of A, np.a min and all those things I have to take care. Then after that, I'm going to take it max and min. You take this max and min. A max, A min. Now I need to go for what? Mean function I will take it. So dealing with the mean operation I am going to take up. So let us go to the mean operation now. What mean operation? Performing mean operation I am doing. Calculating mean of what? ND array. So there I am going to take it. What is the print of what? A, or otherwise you take it. When I take this print of this A, observe it, print of this A, I'll directly do that M is equal to NP dot mean. What is the mean of it? Very easy. Take all the elements, adding, and take the average of 9 elements are there. First element, second element, third element, and take by what? By what? 9. 9. If you do that, you will get the mean of it. And say print of what here, mean is equal to, comma, what I'm writing, M. So you are getting the answer called 21.555, you are getting it. Are you getting? And if you want to do any rounding of it, you can say what, round off M comma 2 also you can say. M comma 2 you can say. So you'll be getting 21.56, you will get it. And for this, for calculation also little difficult for you students. That's why I'll take a small matrix here. A is equal to NP dot array of, I'm taking some small matrix. What is that? Something like 2, 1. Now I will take it as what? 3, 4 I will take it. Right? You see that. Print of what now? A I am taking it. Now what is the mean of it? Same to same. Axis also will be there. Here also axis will be there. Column axis will be there. Row axis also will be there. Tell me how do you do it? M is equal to NP dot mean of A. What is the mean of that? 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. 4 by what? 4. What is the answer now? 10 by 4. 10 na? 10 by 4. What is the answer? 2.5. 2.5. Similarly, I'll go for what? Column mean is equal to NP dot, tell me, mean of A comma axis is equal to 0. What is the column mean? Here 2 plus 3, how much? 5. 5 by 2, 2.5. 1 plus 4, 5 by 2. Answer is what? 2.5. This is called which mean? Column mean. Next I will do the same thing. Which mean next? Row mean. Row mean is equal to what I will write it? Tell me now. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, 1.5. 3 plus 4, 7 by 2, 3.5. You see the answer now. I'll print it. I'll print it. Mean is equal to comma what? M. Next I'm going to take up. What is this now? Column mean is equal to what? COL mean. Column mean. Next I'm going to write it here. Row mean. I'm going to take up row mean is equal to what? Row mean. I'm going to take up. See the answer now. 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. And observe it. And this is the column. This is the row. Are you following? A company is paying on and average how much salary to all the employees? I'll go for what? Mean. Got it? Now, after that, this is related to mean. You can apply for what? 3-dimensional matrix also, 4-dimensional matrix also, 2 by 3 matrix, 3 by 2 matrix, anything you can apply. Okay? Now, I'll go to the further. This is related to what? Mean. Next operation is median. I want to go for it. What is the median, sir? Median is nothing but first what it will do? Take all the elements of ND array, sort them in which order? Ascending order, and select the center element. And in that, two situations are going to come. When I sort the elements in ascending order, if the number of sorted elements are odd number of sorted elements, then center element will be coming 4 one side, 4 one side. 9 elements if you take it, 4 one side, 4 another side. The fifth one will become middle. That is called median. Suppose if the sorted elements are even, middle 2 elements will be added and by 2 will be applied. That is called median. Statistics part, that is. So, I'll give you the example of that and follow me. Go to the place. Here I am going to take up this matrix. This one I will carry. This part I will carry. Here I will take up. Calculation of what now? Calculation of what? Median. So I am going to introduce. Here I am going to write it. Calculation of median of ND array. Print it. Now I am going to apply the median. How many elements are there? 9. How do you apply? Come on. MED is equal to NP dot median of what I will write? A. So the total elements are how many? 9. First put them in what order? Sorted order. That is for your calculation purpose. 10, 12, 14, 15, 19, 25, 28, 35, 36. So 4 elements here, 4 elements here. This is 19 will become the median or not? Simple. So it is going to become that. What is the answer? 19. Okay, remember that 19. Now you can write column median is equal to, come on, NP dot median of A comma axis is equal to 0. Similarly, I will write what? Row median. Row median. Row median is equal to what? A axis is equal to 1 now. 1 now. I will write it. This part I will calculate it. I will print it. And you know, row median, once I will print it and I will explain once again. Median. What is this now? MED. What is next? Column median. Column median. Right, done. COLMED. COLMED. Next is what? Row median. Row median. It is called what? Row median, MED. Now see students carefully. If you follow me, anyhow you recognize it as which value first? 19. You take this data, what is that? Column you take it. What is the median here? By default it is coming. What is the first value? 35. Next, 15, 14, 28. What is that? 15. Because this elements itself will be sorted or not. Next, 25, 12, 19. 19 is an answer for what? This part. Row wise you take it. Row wise 10, 15, 25. 15. What is an answer now? 14. What is an answer now? 28. This is an answer. You will get it. See the answer now. So you got the answer, same thing. 19.0, 35 point, 15 point, 19 point, whatever we have done it. So what is that median? All these things will be written in the description. I will show you the description. Whatever is explaining, I will be given in the documentation format. Now, clear up? Median is coming. Even number of numbers are coming. I want to take out. Take this example one more time. That is an odd number thing. Here I am taking this part. This part you take it. Now you print A. Go to the same process. Go to the same process. This is called like this. What is the elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this now? 2, 3. 2 plus 3 by 2. 5 by 2 is called what? 2.5. 2.5 is the mean. Okay, na? Median, sorry. Median. Next, column median. 2 and 3 by 2. Only 2 elements. Center element is 2 plus 3 by 2. 1, 4. Same. Next is called what? 2 and 1. Same. 3 plus 4. 3, 4 plus 4. It is almost equal to 2 elements only, na? Like a median only it is going to come. Mean value is only going to come. Are you getting me? This is related to even number of elements are there. Sorting will be taken up and done like this. This is related to situation of what? Median. So what is the median description? Odd number of elements are there, center element. Even number of elements are there, 2 center elements are there. Add them, by 2 you take it, that will become median. Got it out? Now, I will go for standard deviation. Variance, standard deviation, variance. Variance, I'll go for it. That is also having one beautiful formula. So go to the place. Now I'll go for calculation of variance. Calculation of variance. Variance of ND array. What I do is, you take big matrix also you can take it, but you take a smaller matrix for easy calculation. So this is my done. Calculation is easy. For easiness purpose, I am taking. For formula understanding purpose. You can take big matrix also. I will show you that also. Now, I am applying variance. How do you apply variance? As usual, I will carry the students. Variance is equal to variance of. I am writing V. Now, column variance is equal to. I am writing here called what? Variance is equal to. Now next is called what do you know? Row variance is equal to what I am saying now. Variance of A comma axis is equal to 1. Getting me? Now, students, when you want to calculate the variance, there is one formula is there. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n. 1 to n. Xi minus m xi minus m by number of elements. What is this xi, sir? Xi means each element of the matrix. 2, x1, 1, x2, 3, x3, 4, x4. What is this m? Mean. Mean. Whole square you need to write. Students, whole square, not xi minus 1. Whole square you need to write. Are you following me? Xi minus m whole square to the power of what? N. Sigma indicates what? Summation. Sigma. Pi indicates product. So let us start the flow. How do you write the code, logic now? Start now. What is the first element? Start 2 minus, what is the mean I got it? 2.5. 2 minus 2.5 whole square plus 1 minus 2.5 whole square. 2.5 whole square plus next what? 3 minus 2.5 whole square plus 4 minus 2.5 whole square by what? 4. Tell me, 2 minus 2.5 whole square means what? Minus 0.5 whole square means what? 0.25 or not? 25, correct? Plus 1 minus 1.25 means what? 1.5. 1 minus 1.25, how much, students? 1.5 whole square is what? ఎవరో 3 చెప్తున్నారు ఒకళ్ళు. అందుకనే బయటపడేసి తీసుకుపోయాలను. 1.5 whole square means what? 2.25. 2.25. 15 square ఎంత? 225. 1.5 minus 1.5 into 1.5 is how much? 2.25. You don't have such mathematics small, knowledge how it is. Plus next is what? 3 minus 2.5, 0.5. That is called what? 0.25. Plus 4 minus 2.25, 1.25. 1.25 already calculated, 2.25. By what? 4. 2.25, 2.25, 4.50. 0.25, 0.25, 0.50, 0.50, 4.50. 5.00 by 4. What is the answer now? 1.25. 1.25. That's all. This is called what? Variance. Variance. This is called variance. Remember that. 1.25. Calculation is important. Column variance. Column variance. What is the column variance? Same. 2, 3. 2 plus 3 mean. First mean find out. How much? 5. 5 by 2. What is that? 2.5. 2 minus 2.5. 0.5. 0.5 whole square. 0.25. Plus 3 minus 2.5 whole square. 0.5. 0.5 whole square. 0.25 by 2. 0.25 plus 0.25. 0.50 by 2. That is called 0.25 only for first row, for first column. Second column. 1 plus 4 by 2. 5. 5. Same to same. 1 minus 2.5. 1.5 whole square. 2.25. 4 minus 2.5. 1.25 whole square. 2.25. 2.25. 2.25 is 4.50 by 2. 2.25. Okay. Right. So mathematics means you are going out of order. Similarly, go for what? 2 and 3. 1 and 2. 3. 3 by 2. 1.5. Variance. 2 minus 3.5. 2 minus 1.5. 0.5. 0.5 whole square means 0.25. 1 minus 2.5. 0.5. Same. 0.5. 0.5. 0.5 by 2. 0. What? 25. right? Next, 3 and 4, same. 7, 7 by 2, 3.5. 3 minus 3.5, 0.25. 4 minus 3.5, 0.5 whole square, 0.5, 0.25, 0.25, 0.2550 by 2. What is the answer? 0.25. Some of the students, sir will take care. I can also leave to you, but I don't want to leave because I committed. I came to the class to teach now. Like you, if I am lazy, I will not be there 26 years in teaching. I am very much committed. Dear students, please follow. Print what I am going to say. I will print what now? First of all, do you remember the values? No, you are not remembering. I know that. 0.25 only you are unable to say. How can you remember, students? Column variance. Column variance. You are saying V. Here I am writing column variance. Next is called what? Row variance. What is the answer now? So, row variance. See the answer now. See the answer now. Answer is what? 1.25. At least first one remembering now. First one remembering. Second one, third one is also, last also remembering, I hope so. This is called variance. What is the standard deviation, sir? Very, very simple. Square root of what? Variance. What is the square root of 1.25? 1.25 square root. You can write 0.025 also you can write it. Right or not? Remember once, testing. 1.25 star 0.5. See the answer. What is coming? 1.118. Okay. Now I am going to introduce. The same thing, I'll go for taking like this. Be careful, students. Now I am going to say calculation of what? STD. STD. I'm going to discuss. What is our STD is going to start with? I'm going to take up here. Same to same. Same to same. I'll say what here? STD. So STD here. Where it is started with. So first one is missing now. I'll bring it everything now. Just for a minute. So here S is equal to, I'll write it here STD. STD of A, column STD, and STD of same. STD of, here I will write it. Row STD, and here I am writing variance is equal to V. Column is called STD here. Here I will write yes. Column standard deviation is equal to column standard deviation and row standard deviation. Row standard deviation is equal to. Now see students. Now I'll say, already I told you this 1.118 is coming now. Same thing will be coming. And obviously 1.25 square root is shown you, just sampling. 0.25 square root is 0.5. 2.25 is 1. You know, easy, that is understandable. See the result of it. See the result of it. 1.118, which is done already. 0.5, 1.5, 0.5, 0.5. I hope you are getting the standard deviation. Are you following? Now, this is about the concept of what? Standard deviation. We have seen about, what you have seen about here? A max you have seen. A max, A min of, mean of, median of. Next is what? Variance of, standard deviation of. Which one you learned in LKG? Which one you learned in school days? Mode is also there or not? Mode is also there. But do you have mode in his here? Why? Why not there? Huh? Sir, you did not write, that's why we are saying. All LKG students. So in NP module, mode is not there. Actually, mode is not that much useful also. So, where is that mode is available, sir? Suppose if you try to call it, something like this, students, you try to observe it. Here I am writing M is equal to NP dot mode of, you will get error. See the big error. NumPy module does not contain what? Mode operation is not there. Mode operation is not there. Not there. Now, how to get this mode, sir? In Python, there is one module is there. Now I am going to take in Python programming, we have statistics module. Statistics module. Statistics module is there. Are you following? Statistics module is there. Statistics module. And it contains which function? Mode function. And one more is also there, students. Multi-mode functions are available. Multi-mode functions are available. Let us import that module here. Import. What I'm saying? Statistics. Yes. Import statistics as yes. Statistics is not a third-party module. It is a by default Python contains. Now apply. What the mode will give you? Very frequently repeated element is called mode. Very frequently repeated element is called mode. Understand? Fine. Now, Amma? Stomach pain. Okay, take care. So, coming to the point of it, import statistics as yes. Now I want to take up. Look at students. LST is equal to 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 40, 50, 60. 60. And also I am taking something like this. 70 I am taking. This is my data. Here I will take it. 10, 20 also I will take it. 10, 20. One more time 10 I took it. Which one is the most repeatedly occurring? 10. Please observe it. So, something like a frequent element is equal to yes dot mode of what? LST. What is that now? Frequent repeated element. Frequently repeated element is equal to comma what? FREQ. See the data. What is coming? 10. Are you following? Now. But 20 also, how many times it came? One more time, let me write it. Here, one more time I am writing. Comma. Once again I am writing 20. 10 repeated how many times? 4 times. 20 also repeated how many times? But which one is coming now, you see? 10 only coming. Because first, what is the order there? 10. Observe now. Careful students. Here I am writing 20. Here I am writing 10. What is the answer is coming? 20. But both of them are equal repeated only now. How to get it both of them? Come on. Already explained the function. Multi-mode. See, certain things now you have to get by yourself. Multi-mode. Multi means equal. 3 elements may be repeating same number of times. 4 elements may be repeating same number of times. That time how to get, sir? See, what are the elements are coming? 20, 10 or 10, 20. Whatever it is. Whatever order it is going to come. Are you following? Similarly, next I'll go for converter. Which elements I am converting? Take the same thing. Here I am writing. In this case, A is equal to NP dot array of what? LST. Here I am writing what you know? A. I am writing A here. I am writing what next? Mode. Are you following me? What is that? That means mode function can work on where also? ND array also. Getting? Right. 20. Why 20 is coming? First in order. I'll apply what here? Multi-mode I will apply. See students, multi-mode is 10, 20. This is about which operations? Statistical operations. For a minute, I'll show you the same documentation once so that it will be more clear for you. So if I go to that NumPy here, statistical operations, if I show you, it will be more easy for documentation purpose. See that carefully once, everybody. On the object of ND array, we can perform the following. All the things. These operations, we can perform on entire matrix. We can also perform on column wise, x is equal to 0. And we can perform on row wise also, axis wise. Axis 0 means column. Axis 1 means what? Yes. A max. See that? Axis 0, axis 1. This function is used to find the maximum of entire element. Axis is equal to 0 obtains maximum element on the column basis. Is equal to 1 row basis. Examples. A mean same to same. Come on, next mean. What is that? Used for obtaining the mean of the matrix. Formula. Sum of all elements of matrix by total number of elements. Mean of total. Axis 0, axis 1. Column wise mean, row wise mean. Median is written description also. Obtaining. Median is nothing but sorting the given data in ascending order and select middle element. If the number of sorted elements are odd, then center or middle element becomes median. If the number of elements are even, then select the center or middle of two elements and add them and divide it by 2 and result becomes median. Median. And see this data, axis and axis 0 and 1. Are you following? See students. Next, variance also same. Square of, not SQRT, square. Square means what? Whole square. Mean minus xi or xi minus mean. Anyhow, xi minus mean minus xi. Whole square means what? 0.5 whole square minus 0.5 whole square is equal to 0.25 only. So it doesn't make any difference. By total number of elements. So given the data. See the data now. Got it. STD. So square root of variance. Got it. And here all the information is coming. NumPy module does not contain mode. Mode present in statistics module of Python. Mode gives you highest frequent element in the given object. See that? Mode, multi-mode. Multi-mode converted a list into ND array. ND array also multi-mode is applied. Okay now students? So whatever is there in our documentation which I explained, same thing is there in the example also. And I am giving this example screen for you, what you worked it. Okay now? Easy? Difficult? Easy. Difficult? Easy, difficult? Easy. Chadukunte easy. So we are not inventing Python now. They are already invented. We are learning within 3 months, 2 months like that. Somebody will explain 1 month also. They are grandfather of ROSM. So, Dinesh, how to find mode in 2D array? Very strange doubt this is. Very simple, my dear student. So, first of all, whether mode is in 1D arena, 2D arena, it doesn't make any difference. It is a flatten the list. Mode means what? Matrix repeated element, or that is not a problem at all. So that should not get the doubt, my dear student Dinesh Padan. So median means what? Matrix are not in matrix are, that doesn't make any difference. You have to apply what? Flatten the list, flatten the matrix elements, and it is obtaining. Okay. Now I will go for this is comes under what data? Statistics elements. Now I am talking about one small description here. Take care. Now I am going to say very simple information I am saying. Sorting the data of which one? ND array. Sorting the data of ND array. Some miscellaneous information I am going to explain. So take care students. Easy. So sorting the data. Import NumPy as NP. As NP. NP. Now I will go for taking certain data. Which data I will take it? Take some elements which are available here. Take certain elements which are available here. Say, take some elements here. This part you take it. In this case, this is my given data. Done. You flatten the list. First you flatten the list. A dot shape is equal to 9 comma you say. 9 comma you say print of A. This is my given data. Correct, students? Now I want to sort it. Now I want to sort it. How do you sort it? NP dot sort of A. NP dot sort of A. How it is printed? The flattened elements are sorted. Okay now? Good. Now this sort function is taking the elements and put it into where? Ascending order. Now what is the descending order? Now I want to print the descending order. How do you write it? Come on. Easy, students. Colon -1. It is coming in which order? Descending order. Python chala tricky ga untadi. It's so easy once you start thinking about it. Are you following? Yes. So this is about ascending and descending. On which array? 1D. 1D. Okay. Now it is more than enough. After this, you can shape it also. No issue. But the thing is, now I am going to take up this data once again. Take this data once again. Okay. After that, I am applying NP dot sort of A. Which one I am applying? Which one I am applying? Sort of 2D array. You observe it. By default, row-wise sorting or column-wise sorting, you observe it. By default, what it is sorting, you observe it. See, observe it. What is happening? First row, you observe it. It is as it is. By default, the data itself is given in which order? Next 35, 14, 12. You see 12, 14, 35. Getting? Next 36, 28, 19. 19, 28, 36. Sorted in which one by default? Row wise. Got it? Okay. Now I want to say once again, look at, I will say like this. Now see, I will say NP dot sort of A comma axis is equal to 1. You observe it. Just observe 1. What will happen? What is happening? Same. That means by default, what is applied this sort? Row wise. Row wise is nothing but what? So what is this now? Row wise sorting. Row wise sorting. Here what is this? By default, row wise sorting. Right up? Now I want to go for what sorting? Column wise sorting. Do you know how to do column wise sorting? How to do it? So go to the axis is equal to 0. What is this now? Column wise sorting. See that column wise sorting. Here 10, 35, 36, okay. Now 15, 14, 28, that is also. Next 25, 12, 19. 12, 19, 25. Are you following? This is called what sorting? That's all. This is called which function? Sort function. Okay now? Clear? Now, like that you can go for what also? ND also. ND array also you can take it and you can sort it out. Okay now? Will you understand that? Now, go to the online students. Did you understand up to here? Did you understand up to here? If we go for taking like this, if we go for taking any more elements, I'll take it something like, 11 and something like, 75 and something like 22. If I take it, print of this one, A dot shape is equal to what I'm doing 2 comma 3 comma 2. Then, right? Done. Print of what? A. You do this. Go for what? NP dot sort of. What is this? A. How it is sorted, you see. 10, 15, 25, 35. 10, 15, 25, 35. Earlier 14, 12. Is it 12, 14 or not? Next, second matrix 36, 28, 28, 36. 19, 11, 11, 19. Here 75, 22, 22, 75. Got it. Next, similarly, you print this A. Similarly, you print this A. And what is this A you printed? This part you take it, students. This part you take it. Of course, you already understood. Just I am writing it. So there you write it directly. There you write it directly. A dot shape is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 2. Print this A. What happens? Is equal to see the data, students. NP dot what? Sort of A comma axis is equal to 0. And see that it is 10, 25, 14. Now 10, 10. Beginning, what is this? Axis is equal to what is happening now? 10, 19, 14. 10, 19, 14. Okay. So 1 minute. Space down. So here you observe it. You observe it. Here what is happening now? 10. This one is going to be right or not? Because this is in one matrix only. That data will be sorted. 10, 19. Come on, order it. 10, 19, 14, 36, 75 like that. You take this one, 15. Next what? 11. Next what? 12, 22, 35. Like that. Complete thing. Are you following me? This is about how we are going to order it. So here 10, 10, 14, 19. Okay, 1 minute, mom. 10, okay, it's something different. Matrix column is sorted. A of NP dot sort of A x is equal to 0. It is giving 10, 19, 14. 10, 15, 19. What order it is coming? 15, 11, 12, something different. 1 minute more. This is done. Given data. After that, you sort it. Once you sort it, it is coming. Okay, this is sorted. 36, 28. This is okay, sorted. There, if you see that A of 0, comma, axis is equal to 1, axis is equal to 0. See what is happening. 10, 14, 25, 12, 15, 35. Okay. That is one thing. And x is equal to, next is called what you know? Y is equal to 1, no. 1 I will say. Done. Now I'll say Z is equal to NP dot V stack of NP dot, of course I am writing V stack of NP dot V stack of, or 1 minute. Print of what? X. Print of what? Y you print it. So it is going to give you each matrix which is getting done, not the entire matrix. So the thing is, I applied A of 0 access, A of 1 access. So that part only can be done, not the entire column of it, not the entire column of it, as we thought of it. I hope you are understanding. Are you following? Did you understand first of all this one? So that is quite easy. Once again, I will repeat. Look at A of axis is equal to 0 up to 2D is clear. Shape is equal to this one. NP dot sort of A. What is done by default? 10, 15 natural, 25, 35 okay. 12 and 14 sorted. This is for one thing. 36, 28, 28, 36. 19, 11, 11, 19. This is also done. This is called what by default row wise. Now, if we want column wise, I did our own sorting technique. We applied our technique. A of 0 is equal to access is equal to sorted A elements 10, 12. So 10, 12, 14, 15, 25, 35. Okay. Total elements are sorted. Correct? Huh? Total elements are sorted. What is this A of 1? 19, 11, 36, 22. No students. Something went wrong. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. Axis is equal to 0 means what? 10, 14, 25. Yes. 12, 15, 35. Okay. Second one also. 19, 36, 75. Okay. Good. Done. That is done. Similarly, row wise, if you want to do it, already row wise is coming or not? Row wise is coming by default. If at all you want to look into another time, you can apply it. Carry the same thing. Here you apply. Is equal to what? 1 you say. And print of what now? X. And print of what? Y. So it is also going to be given like this. Following? Similar answer like previous. So axis is equal to 1. 10, 15, same. 25, 35, same. 14 and 12, 12 and 14, I got it. 36, 28, 36. 11, 19. Also similar to the previous. So don't expect that total 2D will be sorted like that. So it is, if you sort it total, it is going to sort by default on the basis of row. If you want to go for individually, you can sort something like this. Separate, you can sort it. Okay, now this is about sort function. So in Monday class, when I come back, half of the class, there are some more points are there to tell about what? Append I will explain. Insert I will explain. Delete I will explain. So half of the class on Monday I will explain about still NumPy. After that, pandas I will introduce on Monday class. Rest of the half of the class I'll go forward pandas. So at this point of time, what we are able to discuss at Python level NumPy, we are coming across. As I told you in deep learning, machine learning, AI level, some more data science related and NumPy functions will come. That time that concerned faculty has to introduce. That time will feel very easy because how to install and all this procedure will not be there. Already you know this. Okay now? So what is axis? He is asking now. What is axis and shape? Already explained now. Axis explained, shape also explained. So somebody is asking, Amol Pradhan, tomorrow class is not there, sir. Already explained or not? Why tomorrow class is not there, Monday class. I already explained the reason for why class is not there. Tomorrow class is not there, Monday. So Monday class, I'll go for appending, insert and delete, and pandas class I'll introduce on that day. Thank you. All the best. Online students, you can hold on. I'll talk to you. online students? Winner, Vinamra. Student name is Vinamra.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good
Sorry,
afternoon,
good
ma.
evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I have one problem that I want a solution that I am attending your classes daily, and
Okay.
I have one problem that I am not able to build a logic or to write the code.
Oh.
I am explained the code in theory, theoretically, but I am not able to write logic and code also.
Hmm.
I am actually a data science student.
Hmm.
I completed my course, but in that course, they don't teach the Python
Hmm.
actually.
Hmm.
They teach only at least 1 to 2 hours. They teach Python,
Hmm.
only data
Hmm.
types, and NumPy array 1 to 2 hours,
Hmm.
and 1 hour Panda. And they
Ah.
start earlierly machine learning and
Hmm.
deep learning.
Hmm.
But actually, I have problem. I am a fresher, hence I have to learn Python,
Hmm.
SQL, and YAML
Hmm.
nearly.
Hmm.
Hence, sir, my problem is that I don't means I have problem to build a logic and to build
Logics will be
write a
built,
code.
ma. Okay, finish. Your final doubt is how to build the logic, right?
Yes.
Actually, logics will come when you start working on the subject mob. You have to take care about. Suppose I am explaining everything by tracing part. Are you attending from loops onwards? My classes are loops,
Yes, sir.
functions,
Every day I am
loops.
attending.
So that time how I was taken up, taking a logic and I'm reiterating, explaining step by step. Like that, when you are practicing, you have to
Yeah.
take a pen and paper and you have to do
Yeah.
like that only.
Okay.
So generally
Uh,
what you
s-
will do by seeing the program, you will see the code and you will type it, right or not?
yes, sir.
But
Right.
actually we need to write in what way? We have to open the notes and we have to take a pen and paper and we have to write the logics,
Okay.
right? Like that we need to
Uh,
take care, ma'am.
yes, sir. Because I have to attend 2 to 3 lectures daily. One
Hmm.
of machine learning, one
Hmm.
of SQL, and your 6 to 8 batch. Means,
Hmm.
about nearly 6 hour goes to recording sessions to attend the lectures, and the
Hmm.
remaining time I have to practice.
Hmm.
Every day I have to practice machine learning algorithms also,
Hmm.
Python also, and SQL also. Hence, I have to I have
That is a
problem
burden
in.
for you, na? It's a heavy work for you,
Yeah,
right?
sir.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Since I think I am a slow learner in Python.
So that's why, ma'am, first you have to learn Python very well. Later, other things are very easy for you.
Yes, sir, because I have completed the course of data sciences, I have much pressure on myself
Hmm.
because I have completed course and the interview calls are not coming due to
Hmm.
recession. Hence, I have to
Hmm.
manage these three
Hmm.
things in one day. Hence,
Hmm.
I don't have time to practice it.
Hmm. So that's what,
Uh,
my dear student, you have to you have to that's what I said to you just now. I said, na,
yeah.
you practice well about what I said by taking pen and paper, how I said in the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, students, take care and don't miss the further classes. Bikun Naik, those things are old words, my dear student. Bikun, they are called very old words, my dear students. So those things, what are the words you said, na? I'll tell in the class. Don't worry about it. Okay. Don't worry. Yesterday also I have seen it. I'll tell you that. Bikun. Okay. Right. Don't worry about it. That are very, very easy points. I'll tell you that. Right. Take care, students. All the best. Don't miss the Monday class. Tomorrow there is no class. Monday class will take care. Right. All the best.